Hey guys, what's up? It's Daniel. Do you need to replace your air filter on your KTM Duke 390? If you do, here's how. Alright, so your air filter on your KTM Duke 390. It is so easy to access and so easy to replace. Today I'm going to be installing this K&N Air Filter for my KTM Duke 390. There are a bunch of options on the market. This one, when I bought it, it cost me $65 and I got it off of Amazon. But there are other options there. I saw some high flow, some DNA performance, lots of options, and I saw that Cooper makes one as well. So all that this is replacing the air filter on your Duke 390. This is going to be the exact same for the RC 390 as well. So like I said, guys, this is such an easy job. First things first, you have to remove the rear seat. And to do that, look under here on the left side. There will be a little keyhole. Insert your key and twist to the right. When you twist to the right, pull up on the back of the seat. And then just slide right out. Put that aside. The main seat, super easy. Just pull up on the back, pops out of place. Put that aside. Now that we've removed both seats, this is the airbox lid. We're gonna have to remove this. It's held on by 6 Phillips head screws, so go ahead and get a Phillips head screwdriver and remove them all. There we go. Now let's lift up the lid. And by the way, you don't have to, but I'm going to clean this lid just because it's a little dirty. But this is just the outside. There's no need for it. I just like having my stuff clean. Put the lid aside, and here we have the air filter. This is the factory air filter that came with the bike. And to remove it, it's very easy. There are going to be 2 tabs, one right here and the other one right here. What you're going to do, pull back on them both towards the front of the bike. Once you hear them click, go ahead and pull it out. It's that easy. At this point, go ahead and check your air filter. It might look very clean on this side, but if you turn it over, that is gross. I've left this in far too long, so I'm feeling really good about changing my air filter. This is offensively dirty, so I'm just gonna throw this away. And we have the new air filter, K&N KT1217. I got off of Amazon, like I said, $65. It's washable and reusable, so you can reuse it. There's no need to buy a new air filter when it gets dirty. You can just wash it. So let's open it up. Here's the filter. Look at that. Typical K&N, dark red, beautiful color. A lot more air will flow through this, definitely. Some instructions and some stickers. Definitely excited about the stickers. But again, you don't need to get a K&N. It's just the option that I went for. Just like we removed the factory air filter, we're going to install this. There's going to be 2 tabs on whichever filter you get. These 2 flat tabs are going to go to the front, and they're going to lock in underneath right here. You can see 2 areas right here where these 2 match up. And then the taller tabs are going to go facing the back of the bike. So let's go ahead, slot this in, find the tabs, there we go. Push this in. There's 1, there's 2. There we go. Make sure you hear a little click. It might be a very soft sound, but you should be able to hear something. So check to see if it's in place, maybe wiggle it around. You know what? Looks good to me. Grab your airbox lid and place it back on top. 6 screws, put them all back and tighten them. After that, go ahead and grab your seat. Notice that there are 2 tabs on either side of the seat that correspond with 2 tabs right there. You can see one metal one right there. So whenever you go to put the seat back on, make sure you align the seat with the tabs. They're in, and push down on the back. There we go. Grab your rear seat or your pillion seat and slide it back on. Make sure it clicks. Check to see if it's on. There. That's it. There you go, guys. That's it. It's literally that easy. This bike is so easy to change the air filter on. Some bikes are a lot harder. Same with cars. Some cars are easier, some are harder, but this bike, so easy. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Maybe I helped you. I hope that I did help you in case you were struggling and needed some help installing an air filter on your Duke 390 or RC390. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Take care.